up, folks? Welcome to the No Face Tool channel. Just kidding. Welcome to Gonna Wonka Utah's Garage. Anyway, what am I doing today with my hands? I got pink fingers. I have kids. I got this little funky thing. It is a no-name Japanese knockoff. Is it any good? No, it's just a piece of junk. Piece of, what does it say on here? Supreme. The Supreme Being. I'm assuming this is probably, I don't know, at least 20 years old or more. It's got 3 rivets and looks like it's, I don't know. Looks like a folded piece of metal, yeah. Yeah, basically it's, this piece is folded. I'm guessing it's just a bolt. They folded over and smashed it together here and welded this and this on. Forged jaw. I'm pretty sure they forged it. Yeah, it probably came off an assembly line. This thing, I don't know why it's got, maybe it's bent like that. I don't know, thought it was cool. Thought it was cool. Why not, right? It's a lock and plier. Does it work? Yeah, it works. You can pick up stuff. You can eat french fries with it. Do whatever you want. It's a little rusty crusty in here. A little bit of crust in there. I don't know if you can see that. Bunch of, just a cheap plier. Honestly, these Japanese cheap pliers seem like they're a hell of a lot better than some of the newer ones. It's actually, it's made pretty sturdy. Like, it's not a lunk of crap like these, I don't know, no-name jobs. So, yeah. It's got some pretty beefy rivets. Like, these rivets are pretty big. Other than that, the usual, you close them and the jaws go wherever they feel like going. Like, it depends on how you twist it. They're a little bit off, but it's bound to wobble. So yeah, that's the first one. My second one is, picked up another one of these. These are Gripso Vice Pliers. I don't know if this says the same thing. Gripso model 211. Same as the other one. Hold on. Let me check. There's the Gripso Vice Pliers. Yep. Well, let me see. This one doesn't have a model. Weird. I don't think they're the same. Oh no, look. This has got a little unlocky lever here. Very similar, but this has the little chunky monkey over here. And this one has the chunky monkey release lever over here. So, let me try this over here. Open it up. Locky walkie right here. Hey, come on. So yeah, that one goes like this, and it goes Patunya. There we go. That unlocks. This one has a, oh, it's got a little chip right here too, right in the jaw. Or it does it? Oh no, it's angled on both sides. That's pretty cool. Or is it? Well, it looks like it's angled on both sides. Kind of neat. Put it in there. Come on, tighten up. There we go. So in order to tighten this thing, listen, not a little. I like these things. They're pretty cool. If you want to release it, you pull the trigger here. Kaboom. Ta-da. It's in pretty good shape, so I think I have another one somewhere. If you want to hold on a second, I will see if I can get another. I think I have 3 of these. Let me check. Hold on. Hold on. I'll keep you entertained while I walk away. Let me check the vault here. Is that a Gripso one? No, those are whale tools. Oh, it's not a Gripso. What about in here? No, that's not a vice grip drawer. Where are the Gripsos? Where's the Gripso? That's a whale tool. It's a Craftsman. It's a Craftsman. I could have swore I had another one. Where'd you go? Where are you? Oh, I only got 2. Could have swore I had 3. I could have swore there was one that wasn't working very well. Oh, wait a minute. I know where it is. I know where it might be. I know where it might be. Hold on. Stay tuned. I have a, it's under here. Is it under here? Nope. What is that? Nope. Was that it? No, that wasn't it. What about in here? Nope, on there. Too many drawers, man. Too many. Oh, here it is. Here it is. There's my baby. Oh, look. I got this one. I don't know if this is for a steer or what. Gripso Vice Pliers. This is a number. What is this? I don't know. Doesn't say. I could have swore I had it. Could have swore I had a regular one. Didn't work too good. Weird. No. Oh well. Nope. These. So anyway, I got 1, 2, 3. 3 Gripsos. Now I know to look for this one. This one. How many do I buy? I don't know. I'll try to get 4 of each. I like 4. Number 4 is good. So I have that one, which is, I'll show you again. This one's in pretty nice smoothie shape. There's this one with the little thing on the bottom here. See? You can see it. And then there's this. Anybody ever seen one of these? Look, it's even got a ring-a-ding-ding thing on here. Is this made for this? I don't know if it says Klein Snap on there. See? Right on there says Klein Snap. Is this some kind of, I don't know, modern torture device? Stick in your nose? I know they have those little things you put in the steer. Like, is this for cattle or what? Doesn't move very good. I could have swore I had one more. Could have swore I had one more. But anyway, probably beat some of this thing. It's so heavy. So anyway, I got 3 of them. That's it for this video. Gripso Pliers. I'm going to find more. I'm going to find more. Yep, more. Stay tuned. I'll buy more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click buttons or whatever you want to do.